What's up guys, it's Brandon here with Southport Fishing. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at my favorite pond and today we're going to hopefully catch some bass. We're fishing with a Wacky Rig Senko as we usually are, Green Pumpkin. If you want to buy some, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not sponsored or anything, but they're my favorite bait. So, a few days ago I caught my biggest bass of the year, 4.5. Here's a picture real quick. And I wanted to come back and document it because I didn't film that day, which sucks because it was on my first cast, but it's okay. It is not bluebird skies. It's about 80 degrees out, a little bit of wind. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button if you enjoy. Let's get to fishing. Alrighty, look at that. Nice little drain pipe cast over there. And we got one. Right at the top of the lip we hooked him there. Choked that dinger. This thing out, geez. Someone just drove by. Man, I'll tell you. Okay, that hurt. Dude, stop. Jesus. As you can see there, hooked him right in the top of the, right in the side of the mouth. And that's what you want to see. That bite was huge. Like, it felt like a big fish, but I'm throwing it in these weeds. There he is right there, full of eggs. Look at that. Spawn happens pretty late on this lake. Pretty nice fish, so let him go. Alright guys, so when these fish are spawning like this, let me show you the proper way to release them before my tripod falls in the water. Okay, so when these fish are spawning like this, hold on, I want to show you this because this is really important to know. Okay, so when these fish are spawning like this, you really want to make sure you let them go carefully. I want to make sure you guys see this, alright? Like I said in my last video, you really want to make sure you let these guys go carefully. So just gently drop them in the water. There he is there. Let him swim away, and then wash them off. Alright? Because the fish are spawning, and you let them go back to where they spawn. Don't walk over the whole lake with a fish in your hand. There's a huge koi right there, but first fish of the day, let's go. I think I'm gonna stay in this spot for a bit longer and see if we get another one. I gotta get a new bait though, because I took mine. Yeah, there's that koi there. There's a carp on the other side that has a swim bladder problem. So he's not doing so hot. Alrighty. Obviously not the size that I'm looking for, but for the first fish, we'll take it. So, one fish so far. Just finished fishing this inlet there. It is windy today. But now we are heading over to the spot where I caught my biggest bass of the year so far. This inlet right here. But the spot's been pretty dead recently besides the John I caught because there's a bunch of big carp in here. And one of them I'm pretty sure is dead. And it's over there. So, it smells horrible. It's not good. Looks like someone already beat me to my spot. That's a huge carp. Is it alive? It doesn't look like it's alive. Jesus. That thing ain't looking too hot. Well, that was a nice cast. I said it was my last cast. It wasn't. I backlashed and I snapped off, so. Okay, so I went to 3 ponds and I filmed 2. It was getting insanely windy and I was backlashing every cast, so I had to come back here. We got 1 fish. It was a super tough day. It was hot out and it was windy. But I appreciate your watch. Look at that tan line from those sunglasses. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. See ya.